Exposing myths. Earth stops for 1 second. What would really happen? Some might think it's too brief to matter, a tiny blip in our planet's cosmic dance. A moment so short, you might not even notice. But the laws of physics disagree, and the reality is far from gentle. So, what's the real terrifying surprise? Let's break down the science of this 1-second catastrophe. First, we need to understand just how fast we're moving right now. Our planet spins on its axis, and everything on its surface, including you, is carried along with it. At the equator, this speed is a staggering 1,670 kilometers per hour, or about 460 meters per second. That's faster than the speed of sound. This velocity decreases as you move towards the poles. For someone in London or New York, you're still cruising at over 1,100 kilometers per hour. We don't feel this immense speed because everything around us, including the atmosphere, is moving along with us. It's our constant, shared frame of reference. Now, imagine the Earth snaps to a halt for just 1 second. The planet stops, but you don't. Thanks to inertia, your body would continue moving at that original rotational speed. If you were at the equator, you'd be launched eastward at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. The effect would be like being in a car traveling at supersonic speeds that instantly hits a brick wall. The deceleration would be fatal for any living creature not secured to the bedrock itself. Even indoors, the forces would be inescapable. You, your furniture, and the very walls of your home would be violently thrown against whatever lies to the east. It's not just people and objects. The entire atmosphere, which was also moving with the Earth, would keep going. This would trigger a massive globe-spanning wind blast. These winds would be far more powerful than any hurricane ever recorded, scouring the surface with unimaginable force. The friction would generate immense heat and kick up a colossal amount of dust and debris, creating a global abrasive storm that would sandblast everything in its path. And then there are the oceans. The vast bodies of water, possessing immense inertia, would not stop with the land. They would surge forward, pounding coastlines worldwide in a matter of seconds. This would create mega tsunamis of a scale we can barely comprehend, with waves potentially reaching kilometers in height. These wouldn't be single waves, but a colossal wall of water sweeping across continents, dwarfing anything in recorded history. Harbors and coastal cities wouldn't stand a chance, as the water funnels inland with devastating power. The chaos wouldn't be limited to the surface. The planet's solid crust would abruptly slow, but the molten mantle and core beneath it would continue to swirl due to their own inertia. The resulting shear stress between these layers would be catastrophic. This would trigger earthquakes of unprecedented magnitude across the entire globe, far exceeding anything a 10 on the Richter scale could represent. The immense friction could also cause widespread volcanic eruptions as the crust fractures, releasing magma from below. Our built environment would be obliterated. Buildings, especially skyscrapers near the equator, are designed for vertical gravity loads, not for sudden extreme lateral forces. They would be sheared from their foundations. Infrastructure would literally shred under those stresses instantly. Bridges would collapse, power grids would fail, and transportation systems would be annihilated. Trains would derail and fly off their tracks, while ships at sea would be caught in the initial oceanic surge. Interestingly, anything not physically connected to the Earth would be spared the initial shock. Satellites in orbit would continue their paths unaffected by the planet's 1-second pause. Planes in the air would suddenly face a headwind of over 1,600 kilometers per hour, which would likely tear them apart, but they wouldn't be flung like objects on the ground. And thankfully, 1 second isn't long enough to significantly alter the day-night cycle, nor would it be enough to overcome Earth's gravity and fling us into space. We'd be stuck here to face the consequences. After that single devastating second, the Earth would resume its spin, but the planet would be forever changed. The atmosphere and oceans would slosh back and forth in violent oscillations for days, weeks, or even years. The surface would be a wreck of seismic aftershocks, raging fires, and near total destruction. The immediate shock would cause catastrophic global damage, rendering the planet almost unrecognizable. The bottom line is clear. Even the tiniest 1-second interruption of Earth's spin would be unimaginably disastrous. It's a powerful reminder of the delicate, high-speed balance that governs our existence. So let's be thankful for our planet's reliable rhythm and keep it spinning.